Oh! 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 Oh no! Oh! Oh! You broke it. What's up, guys? So, just me today, unfortunately. Jack's had to work. Boo! And Callum's playing football, believe it or not. So, just me. I'm out with Revo, Claire, Ian, and we've come out to see now if the Typhon TLR can bash in the woods. And I've forgotten 8S. Hello, 8S! And we have got some new tyres we're trying out. It's nice little belted tyres. See what they go like. Oh, how does it handle the sand? Oh, the lively little thing on the sand. Oh, he's trying to take that X-Max out. Oh! Drag race. See how the Typhon makes out against the Great EXP and the X-Max. He's going to call it.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, oh, oh. Get out of the way, those two beasts. Oh, got the XP Arsenal, don't you turn. It comes. You're going to be chasing him down. Oh! Oh, Typhon won! Oh yes, I'm loving this car, guys. I have my doubts, but oh, absolute dream to drive. This is on 4S in the woods. Oh, we picked up some foliage. Oh, gonna hit that stump. Bit of a divot out there. Got some proper jumps now. Oh, no! Oh, it flies. This thing drives like a dream. It's so precise where you put it. Back drifts out nicely. These, oh, there's a puddle there. Ooh, a little swim. Oh, oh, oh! Oh, tree. Oh! Oh, tree! Oh, don't do that though. That's still straight. That's a full-on straight into the tree. The tree didn't like it much. Sorry, tree. Oh, pound in there. We're fed up watching this, but it's just a joy to drive, guys. It drifts around. Almost winning that drink again. Reach back, we can send it. Big send. No. Oh, bit of a tumble. It's certainly enjoying the woods. These new tyres on there. I don't know what it'll be like on the stock tyres, but these tyres, absolutely loving it. So I haven't got the boys here to give it any big sends for me to film, but I'll see if I can get some for you. Oh! 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 The danger of filming yourself, you get hit. Oh! Oh, treat! Oh! absolutely loves this terrain. It does. I'm impressed with this, guys. Oh, that's in the drink. That's a definite stinky pinky winky now. Oh. Ugh. Ugh. Poor. The outside toilet, that is. Oh, oh, stinky pinky. Have we got enough to clear the log of death?
Oh no!
Made it though. Oh, that's a nice jump. Can it make it back up?
Power.
Come on, power, 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 power. Yes! Nicely done. Oh, backflip! Oh! Oh, it's in the brambles. Oh, it's buried. Oh, it's cameo. Oh, it's got a ghillie suit on now. This thing can take it. Whoa. Oh. Yes. Yes.
Loves it, doesn't it?
No, no. Oh. See what it looks like. It's pretty straight, guys. Absolutely loving it. Shock towers are straight. Everything's straight. Definitely a basher.
Oh! That was a bit lame, Steve. Oh! Oh, you broke it.
That's a full-on bash session with the new Arrma Typhon TLR. And I've got to say, guys, mightily impressed with this little buggy. Did change the wheels out for these. I'll put a link where you can get those from as well in the description below, and where you can get the car from. But massively impressed with this car, the way it's handled around the dirt, in the woods, the way it's jumped, absolutely everything about it. Love it. This has jumped up to one of my top 3 cars at the moment. Big thumbs up from Arrma on this. Absolutely love it. So I hope you enjoyed that, guys. It was just me today. Makes a change, and I didn't break anything, which is amazing. Anyway, take care, stay safe, and remember what you got to do. Subscribe, give us a comment, and give us a like. Take care, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.